Hi, Pam Didner here. I have a quick update for you. I will be attending a very intimate conference in Columbus, Ohio on April 9th and 10th. It's called Interact. This conference is rather unique in a way that they offer a workshop that's capped at 30 attendees per workshop, and the workshop is from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Majority of the conferences workshop I do tend to be around 2.5 and 3 hours. So this conference really double the time and double the learning. So it should be a lot of fun. They offer 4 workshops: sales and marketing alignments, strategies, social media, and analytics. And guess which one I will be teaching this time? Sales and enablement alignment. I will be sharing with you what you can do better to support your sales team, and I have plenty of templates to share. Trust me, I'm like a goddess of templates, really. In addition to workshop, I will deliver a keynote, and I will be talking about the 5 digital marketing trends, their impacts, and what you can do about them with practical examples. So anyway, check out Interact, register for the workshop, and it's time to explore Columbus, Ohio. I hope to see you there in Columbus, Ohio on April 9th and the 10th. Thanks a lot. Bye.